Good morning. I am getting ready for an open house this morning at 9 Debbie's Lane in Marstons Mills, and I thought I'd give you a quick tour before everybody got here and let you know a little bit about the house. So I thought I would start with the tour in this great room with cathedral ceilings, nice new flat screen and sound bar. This house comes fully furnished. All the hardwood floors have been redone. They're really beautiful. Sellers also added mini splits in every room, so that's your availability for heat and air conditioning, as well as what was here initially. There's 3 bedrooms up here, nice and bright and airy, all hardwood floors. We'll just take a quick run through. This is the primary, lots of storage and closet space. The sellers took what was one large bathroom and put in 2 bathrooms. So this is the primary with all glass door and new tile. Everything's new in that bathroom. And then there's a matching one out in the hallway for the rest of the residents or visitors. And there's a bedroom up here. I might even use this as an office if possible, if you needed that. There's access to a downstairs where there's several more rooms, a full bathroom again with the done-over shower with the glass doors, access out to the backyard, sliders out to the backyard. This is your dining space, built-in hutch, your kitchen with stainless steel appliances, butcher block counters. You have a nice deck space out here. And nice fenced-in backyard. They've completely redone a lot of the plumbing for the outdoor shower, the bathrooms. There's a little alcove over there as you come out of the walkout area. And then behind all of that is conservation land, so it's a great walking area. So, beautiful day. If you can't get to the open house today, give me a call and let's see this property before the snow hits. You won't be disappointed. All furnishings included. Great space, 2,100 square feet, passing Title V, and a nice neighborhood to boot. Perfect for the year-rounders, perfect as a rental, perfect as a weekend getaway. This house has a lot to offer.